Hey guys, so continuing on with my e.l.f. Camo liquid blush tutorials, and in case you didn't see the other videos, what I'm doing is I'm taking every shade from the new Camo e.l.f. Camo liquid blush line and creating a look based around that particular color. So we're doing the Coming in Hot Pink today, and wow, that is it ever hot pink. So if you want to know any of the products that I already have on, they'll be listed in the description box, but I always start with the blush, and yeah, this is bright. So I'm just doing one dot there, and I'm using the e.l.f. liquid blush brush, and I'm just kind of moving it around a little bit there before I start buffing it in. Oh yeah, oh boy, that is bright. Beautiful color though. So I'm just kind of moving it across, and then I'm going to buff it in. Okay, yeah, that's plenty. You don't need more than a dot. That's all you need. All right, now we're going to move on to the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. My shade is 1 Fair. And I'm just going to take some of that. And this is also quite powerful. You don't need a ton of this. And I'm going to dot that across the highlighter area, and then turn the blush, the makeup sponge sideways. And there's just the right amount left to do the other cheek. Okay, so blush and highlighter are done. Okay, now on the eyes, I'm going to use my Profusion Pastel palette. There are 2 aqua mint type shades in here. There's this one, and then there's this one. It's funny, they're so close. One is just slightly darker and brighter than the other. So I have on concealer on my eye area, and that's just what I use to prime my eyes. So I'm gonna let's take this brush, because this can be used to do the lid and the crease. So the reason why I'm using this color is this is in color theory on the color wheel. Hot pink, the opposite of hot pink, is like this mint green color. So I'm going to use Wishful, the one in the middle. So the complement of any color is its opposite, and this is what is opposite. So I'm going to put that all over the lid. And I'm also going to take this up into the crease. I've been having a blast doing this series. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I hope you were able to pick up some of these blushes either on the e.l.f. website or at Target. I went back to Target the next day to get some, I buy my plant-based butter there, Miyokos. It is absolutely delicious. So I went there just to get some butter, and I walked by that e.l.f. display, and it was almost empty. So it went so quickly. I also went and got the fourth shade of the native Girl Scout cookie body wash because I realized when I bought that that day that there were 4 scents, not 3. Okay, so I'm just kind of packing that on all over the lid and crease area. And I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in the shade Navy. And we're going to put that on my waterline. And I'm going to take a small detail brush and pick up some more of that aqua shade and bring that down along the lower lash line just to kind of tie all this in together with this aqua mint type shade. Now for an eyeliner on the top, we have options here. We have this, which I don't think I would put that. I mean, I used the navy, but this is, you know, you don't want to incorporate too many shades of blue. And then I have like a lilac color, but again, I don't think I would want to go crazy with too many of those. And what else do we have? This is teal. I guess that would work, but no, not feeling it. And then what else do we have? Rose gold, definitely not. Purple, no. Black is a possibility, of course. And then I got another type of black. Brown, no, definitely not. And the only other option is something I was considering, white. That might look really, really pretty. Yeah, do let's do white. I think this might look really nice. I hope this has got enough left in it to do it the way I want. So this is an LA Girl Line Art Matte eyeliner. I think I only used this once or twice, so it should still have plenty of product in it, I hope. Oh, I hope this works. I think this could be really pretty with the aqua. Let's see. You know what? I think I'm going to start. I usually do the wing first, but I want to see how much product is in here. Seems to be okay. This was part of LA Girls, I think Halloween release this year, and I actually got it on clearance at CVS. Yeah, that looks really pretty with the aqua. Okay, let's do a wing. Mm, oh boy, what if I run out? Because it's getting fainter. What if I don't have enough to do the other eye? This could be dangerous, guys, because this is the only white eyeliner I have. I guess I could use a white shadow with some of my mixing medium if I had to. Hmm, that's kind of faint. Oh, you know what I could do is I could do some type of shadow that looked pretty. I could do it right on top of that, and that could almost be like a base. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, I have an idea. I realized that the Jeffree Star Cremated palette would be the perfect palette to correspond with this aqua color scheme. So, yeah, what if I took Diamond Ashes and then layer that over that white liner? That could be really, really gorgeous. Let's do it. Let's just take an angled brush and pick some of that up and put that over that white. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So the white is like anchoring it down and making it more visible, because if you tried to do this just on its own, I don't think it would show up. But over the white, it makes it more visible. Oh yeah, okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, great. All right, let me shut off the camera and do the other eye, and hopefully there's enough left in here to do the other eye, because yeah, this, I didn't get very many uses out of that if this was dried up after only what, 2 or 3 uses. Okay, so I did the other eye and I curled my lashes. I applied my CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara in Ultramarine, of course, because I am madly in love with this mascara. And yeah, I've been really into layering eye products. Liners with toppers, and yeah, this Jeffree Star shadow totally saved the day. And I did have enough eyeliner in here. And there is still more in here, but you can tell that, you know, it doesn't have the oomph that it had like when I first bought it. But yeah, I think that's only like the 3rd time I've used this at the most. So this is not going to last long. And when you shake it, it doesn't even feel like there's anything in there. And there are no like balls or anything to mix it. So it might just dry up But yeah, that Jeffree Star shadow I think looks really pretty over the white liner. So yay. But yeah, I've been really into layering all different kinds of products on my eyes. And sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. You just have to kind of play around with it. But I'm happy with the way that turned out. Okay, so on the lips, I'm going to use the e.l.f. O Satin Face Lipstick in Loud AF because this is a hot pink. Hot pink bordering on red, but this is what it looks like side by side with the blush, so it's close. It's very close. I went through my liners and I don't have a liner, lip liner this exact shade, and everything that I have would clash. So yeah, I thought about using a nude, but sometimes that can make it even more obvious that you have the wrong color liner on. So I'm just going to use this straight out of the tube. But let me wipe off some of my lip oil so that the lipstick applies better. Loud AF is right. That's an appropriate name for this lipstick. Wow. Wowee. All right, so yeah, I wish I had had a liner because I can't get a crisp line just, doing this right out of the bullet. But anyway, aqua and hot pink is the look. And I hope you enjoyed this. That Jeffree Star shadow over that white liner, I think really was a nice addition to the aqua. So thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.